Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the auto captions in Inshot App. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Inshot App. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has the video option. So we have to click on the video. And after that, we have to click on the new. And now we need to choose that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So I want to use this one. And let's click on the right. So as you can see, the video is imported now. Simply what we have to do, we have to click on the text, and after clicking on the text, as you can see, has the option for the caption. So we have to click on the caption, and after clicking on the caption, as you can see here, you have to choose the language, that in which language you want your subtitles, your caption. So as you can see, these all languages are provided here. For example, I want to choose in the English, and after that simply we have to hit the right. And as you can see, now here's the start option. So we have to click on the start option, and then simply after clicking on the start, as you can see, if you have Inshot Pro, then you need to click on the first one, or if you are using the free one, you have to click on this free unlock. You have to watch the ad for few seconds, and after that the auto captions will be generated. So in this way you can generate captions on Inshot App. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.